Here at home, the Evergrotesco Grand Central Mall is preparing for another takeover attempt by the Caloocan City Government. The mall's lawyers are also readying charges against city officials. We have more from Cecil Ardizabal.
Owners and lawyers of the Evergrotesco Grand Central Mall held a closed-door meeting Sunday afternoon to prepare their defense if and when the Caloocan City Government again tries to take over the establishment Monday.
Nakakalap kami ng impormasyon na naghahanda ng goon squad. City Hall is mobilizing an army of looters and goons to make an assault against Evergrotesco Mall.
The writ of possession issued by the Caloocan City RTC is expected to be served Monday morning after the sheriff failed to serve it last week. Caloocan Mayor Recom Echeverri says the mall owners owe the city government more than 700 million pesos in unpaid taxes. Speaking to ABS-CBN News, Echeverri denied allegations he hired goons to attack the mall. He said the case is now under the control of the court.
Wala akong fino-form na goons for tomorrow. If ever there would be kung may mga movements no, sa loob ng Grotesco building, yun po ay under the direct supervision and control of the sheriff and the court.
The lawyers of the Evergrotesco Mall are preparing to file graft cases against some Caloocan City Hall officials before the Office of the Ombudsman. They are also filing contempt charges before the Manila RTC against Mayor Echeverri for failing to obey the court's order to refrain from barging in the mall. Mall operators say the dispute has severely affected their business.
Talaga naapektuhan yung sales, consider na yung customers traffic natin medyo bumaba, ano?
But shoppers do not appear to be affected by the controversy.
Siyempre katulad ng pagka nagra-rush buy ako dito ako pupunta eh. Hindi naman kayo natatakot na baka isang araw dito kayo magkagulo ulit? Hindi naman po, siguro naman po kahit paano naman magkakaroon din naman ng kaayusan dito. Siyempre hindi naman po papayag yung mga nandito na magkakagulo na.
Cecil Ardizabal, ABS-CBN News.